In hospitality, every second counts. Orders move fast, and your team needs systems that keep up. Meet KV screens powered by Access EPOS, a smarter way to manage orders across your entire operation. In the kitchen, chefs see exactly what matters. With role-based profiles, each team member views only the relevant ticket stages, from new to cooking to cooked. And with customizable bump bars, every action is just one tap away, helping your team move faster with fewer errors. Front-of-house teams stay perfectly aligned. As dishes leave the kitchen, orders are tracked through at-table and check-back complete, ensuring a smooth, consistent guest experience from pass to plate. KV Screens isn't just for staff. Transform your screens into customer-facing displays, ideal for quick service and takeaway. Orders automatically move from cooking to ready to collect, with real-time updates your customers can see instantly. Fully brandable screens let you showcase your identity, or even double up as marketing displays when idle. With integrations like Quick Serve, online orders flow straight into your kitchen and update automatically as soon as they're ready. No confusion, no delays, just smooth, connected service. From kitchen to counter to customer, KV Screens brings clarity, speed, and control to every stage of service. KV Screens, smarter screens, better service.